gotten what we were demanding for. It is only in respect of the mutual understanding that we are not telling you now what we have gotten. But just in a few hours, when we issue out the communique and go and reference it to the press release, you will realize that all that we asked for in the press release has been granted in the communique. So for now, let's exercise our patience. But what I want to say is that the fight has yielded the result, and we are just calling that future fights that are legitimate fights to give us the resources that we need in Ashama, the development that we want in Ashama. Let us together fight as we fought for Starlight Park, and we'll get it. Whether 4 years, 10 years ago, 2 days ago, the future from today is more important, and we will fight to ensure that Ashama is rightfully developed and placed in Ghana. Thank you very much.